Hello, how are you? Welcome back, dear Bengali learners. We have finished sixth lesson, and the previous class, we learned the word, two words. One is din and second one is ilish, and the pronunciation of I. The sound is e, short e sound. We can call it Rashoi in Bengali, where the sound is e. Today we'll learn a new word. It is called E. 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 The sound is, we can call it Dirgho E. Dirgho E. The first one is Rosho E. Rosho E. The sound is E, but we call it Rosho E. Rosho E means like, we can call it like short sound, and Dirgho E mean long sound. Rosho E mean short sound, Dirgho E mean long sound. So Dirgho E, it is long sound, long E sound. So now we can pronounce the word. Here is given kneel, 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 N-E-E-L, kneel. Here look, it is called Dirgho E, kneel. The sound is like this, kneel. So you guys, I think you know the river Nile. It is not like a river Nile. If you like to memorize the word by this procedure, you can make or compare. So Nile, the sound like this E sound. Ni, E. The sound is like Nil. Nil, it's mean blue in Bengali. Nil, it's mean blue in Bengali language. And the second one is Eid. 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 It will be pronounced like double E. Eid. 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 It is called Dirgho E. So Eid festival, I think you all know. I think you all know Eid is very popular festivals for Muslims, and it is a festival. So Eid, it is very common and traditional festival in Bangladesh. So today we may finish here, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you don't watch the previous lesson, just go to the playlist and watch all of the lesson. Good luck for you.